Hello! So, what do you do with them Christmas meal leftovers? Well, what we do is, we have another turkey dinner on Boxing Day, which is brilliant. So, what I do is the Christmas dinner, on Christmas Day, put all the vegetables on plates on the table so everybody can help themselves. And then at the end, I just take them away and then put them into a glass tray like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw that one away. Throw that, that's the parsnip, and roasties. But I'm going to warm them up in the microwave. I'm going to warm them up in the microwave. Stuffing balls. I've just turned the oven on and we're going to have roast potatoes, roast parsnips, and can't forget these pigs and blankets. Put them in the microwave for 5 minutes, just soften them, the potatoes. Set a timer for 8 minutes.
All right, 8 minutes.
This is the what's left of the Christmas turkey.
Yeah, keep at it. That was demolished yesterday. We're on this side now.
So that's it. Got your turkey up. Oh, it looks nice, doesn't it? Thank you for that. Happy haircut.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show you haircut another day. But for now, this is the leftovers for the Christmas dinner. So we've got the potatoes in. Yesterday I saved some stock from the vegetables. I've got some bacon that was left over from the putting it over the turkey and the sprouts. So I'm going to fry that up. That's going to be warmed up in there. Get your potatoes out of the microwave. Them have been warmed up for 5 minutes. Just drain the water off those. Get a plastic bag. Okay, now in your plastic bag, just put some olive oil in there. And drizzle that in there. Okay, and tip your potatoes on the bag. Okay, give us a little scrunch down so they all get covered. Okay, put them on there. Okay, get your parsnip. What we're going to do, I'm going to cut that parsnip up straight into that bag, I think. Parsnip. Okay, we'll put them in there as well. And then we'll let them mix round. Pour a little bit of honey in there and stuff. Get your salt. Okay. Get some honey. There we go. Just whiz that round. Okay, so them are going to go into a preheated oven. It's been preheated. That's been preheated. It's going to go in with the stuffing balls and the pigs and blankets. So I'll put them in first. Get them. Put them in the oven. There we go, put them in the oven. Gravy. Turkey stock from yesterday. We'll have that in a bit. And there you go. Let's put a timer on for 30 minutes. Okay, Google, set a timer for 30 minutes. So yes, I'm going to fry the bacon up now and warm up the veg. And then we'll serve up.
And that's starting.
Okay, so we're all ready, all dished up, look.
Hi guys.
Hey. So we just need a bit of gravy.
Sorry.
Is that okay? Done the other two already. That looks delicious. So this is our Boxing Day dinner.
This is mine.
We did have the same for Christmas Day as well.
This is that.
But this was our Boxing Day dinner. So easy peasy.
Mmm.
And there we go, we've got some Christmas cake, mince pies left over, chocolate log house.
Oh yes.
See that
So
video?
plenty to go at. Oh yes, and have a look at them videos. They're all on there if you want to replicate. There you go, happy Christmas. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. And we've still got the Christmas table out as well. Look at that. Oh, how lovely. And we're going to finish off those crackers, aren't we?
Okay, bye.